So we've got these sick headlights. Of course it's super windy today.
Avenue towards Air Avenue East, Convention Center.
Hey, it's working. So we got the drop lights now. But I'm happy with these. Very happy. These things hiding. What up world, it's BK here, and in this video we'll be installing headlights into a 2007 Toyota Yaris. Our Yaris, DD. Okay, it's time to do this thing. Bow, 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 bow. We got these lights a while ago. These are eBay special LED cool lights that should hopefully make the car change its look quite a bit and give it like a modern feel, while also increasing its visibility. This is the right side, I believe. And yeah, I'm not gonna remove the plastic. Let's see. Yeah, we won't remove all the plastic just yet, but we're gonna take a look at it to see what we need to actually get it hooked up. Okay, so flipping it around to the back, we have, looks like one plug and some, I don't know what these wires go to. Looks like a power and a ground line, but this plug seems like it powers both these two lights. So maybe it also has the high beam function, or we might have to wire that. That might be what this is. And then it looks like there's the indicator light, which should just pop out of the old one. This seems like a pretty simple job, and they look super cool. Like, look at that. I think it will sit like this. Yeah, so then this is gonna be the driver's side one. So let's go install it in DD. So I'm gonna start with removing the bumper. So we're just gonna get these clips off and then get the bumper to come down. If you're new around here, you might be wondering what these signatures are. Those are people who have subscribed to the channel publicly. If you want your name on the Yaris, just hit the subscribe button. So this light strip here is part of a game that we developed, a Stop the Light game. In the next episode, I'll actually be reinstalling the Arduino and seeing if this light strip still works. Okay, for us, the only thing holding this light in is this bolt. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that with a 12 mil. It's actually a 10 mil. Be honest, how many of you knew I had the wrong one the first time? Okay, so here we have a few things we need to remove. So it looks like this one, and then this one. Okay, with all the wires removed, the headlight is free. I mean, just comparing the two side by side doesn't look like they're the same size, but you know, it could be wrong. It just seems like this one's a little, I don't know, maybe they are the same. There's also not the same plugs, so all of this seems to be wired into one plug except for those. And here we have like this piece, this light, and then we removed the blinker light, so we'll see what happens. Okay. How's it look? Oof. Ooh, it looks so good. Wow, that looks so cool. Holy crap, it looks like a whole new car. Okay, so from what I can tell, the Axio lights are way brighter. So we're going to probably see in the future if we can switch that out for the Axio light. Maybe on this headlight, we'll try it out. Also, these lights aren't working. So I think that's what that secondary plug is for. So we think these might be daylight running lights. So we're gonna test these ends here to see if they turn on.
Oops, that should be the other way, sorry.
No, you're good. That turns the halo lights on. Okay, so how do these turn on? That's actually super cool, huh? So Mark found another wire thing. So maybe that's because there's a few plugs that we have that aren't there. Nothing. Oh wait, that worked.
What?
What you just did. There it is.
Okay.
Okay. I wonder if we should put the Axio lights in here. I don't think I can actually, because these are both wired together to this. But it looks like if I got a second set of Axio lights, I could wire those together and then do that. But for now, we're just gonna leave it. Okay, so this wire, so we have this wire and we have, where did it go? This one. So right now I just have the ignition on. So I'm gonna probe these to see if we get any voltage reading. Okay, so what's going on is when this is idle, so just running, the lights don't have any voltage. Saying is when the car is set to this position, so no lights on, but the ignition key is turned, then neither of these get voltage. So no voltage on this. When we set it to this position, which is the lights on, I'm actually sad that we're going to this bulb and not that one, because these things are awesome. What's puzzling to me is I thought that one of these would be running lights. Oh, running lights. What if we start the car? Now the car is in the start position and the lights are in the off position. Yeah, still no voltage. Still no voltage. Okay. So we'll cut these. Twist these together. You can see that we have those 3 drop lights working. All right, well that worked out pretty well, so let's go ahead and do this other side. All right, so it should be good. Now that looks sweet. With the bumper back together, you can see that I mean, we definitely did a lot of work realigning this one. If you haven't been around, you don't know, but we've been hit recently. That's why the bumper is all messed up, as well as the hood. But we pulled this side out with the winch, and I think this is actually in the right position. Really, what's wrong now is the bumper is just kind of warped and shifted this way. So you can see everything does sort of line up. If the bumper was in the proper place, like, it's just crunched, so everything shifted over. But these points actually came in pretty good. There is a small gap here, so that's about what we're off. But when it's all together, it's hard to tell. It looks awesome. Like, I cannot be more happy. That's what it looks like all together. It's kind of hard to see because of the lighting, but you can see it's got the 3 drop lights and the halo light. It looks so cool. Oh man. Next time we'll be replacing these with these. The headlights look so cool. Now we just need to do the tail lights, and it's gonna be cool when those switch out. It's a very different vibe now from the back. Makes it look kind of inconsistent. Next time we'll be working on the light indicators like I talked about, and we'll also be updating the stop the light game, which is the bumper LED strip. Congratulations, now you know how to install new headlights on the 2007 Toyota Yaris. If you want to see more videos about how to fix your Yaris, check this out. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.